Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope all of you are well and safe by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this situation, all of we are at home, isn't it? We are not going to school, we are not getting our class, our friend, but we have to study. We have to go ahead. Then we must do better, inshallah. Students, today we will learn something. So, welcome to this learning session. Now, we will learn what is cardinal and ordinal number. Dear students, can you see the picture well? How many students are here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 students. So, we can say that a cardinal number is a number that says how many of something there are. Actually, if we want to count something, then we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Have you understood? Okay. Now, ordinal number. Students, look at this picture. Here, we are looking 3 flowers and they are arranged in an order. The first flower is big, the second flower is small, and the third flower is very small. Here, easily we can say that an ordinal number tells the order of things or persons. Here I have shown you a chart. Students, you need to use this ordinal number to solve the first option of the question number 11. Sometimes you face problem. Here I'll show you how you will solve it. For example, I'm showing you a question. Here, the question is, write 5 sentences about your Friday activity considering the following points. Write the time in numbers and activity sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. The first question is, how do you start your Friday? Then, how many activities do you perform in Friday morning? And last, what time does each activity begin? Just look. 3 questions are here, but you have to make 5 sentences. Before doing, you have to arrange your works first. So now, I am showing you how you will solve it. Students, you can start in such a way. Friday is my weekend and I start my weekend at 7 a.m. In the morning, I perform 3 activities: attend drawing class, play cricket, and learn swimming. My first activity begins at 8 a.m. My second activity begins at 9 a.m. My third activity begins at 11 a.m. And now I am showing you another questions. Write 5 sentences about your visit to Dhaka, considering the following points. Write the time in numbers and tour sequence in ordinal numbers in your writing. The first question, what time did you start? Second question, how many places did you visit? The third question, what time did each visit begin? Now I'll show you how you will solve this one. Students, look. My visit to Dhaka started at 7 a.m. on 23rd December 2019. I visited 3 places. My first visit began at 11 a.m. and I went to the zoo. My second visit began at 2 p.m. and I went to the museum. My third visit began at 5 p.m. and I went to the Shishu Park. Students, just try in such a way to arrange your work, then you arrange your full answer. Now, depending on this, you will do your homework. The model question 5 to 30. Question number 11, only the first one. So, no more today. And thanks everybody. Keep well and may Allah bless us and protect us from this coronavirus.